In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strike-through text in Gmail. Strike-through is a simple formatting style that draws a line through your text. It's perfect for showing changes, crossing out items you've decided against, or keeping your readers aware of edits without deleting anything. Let's walk through exactly how to do it in Gmail, step by step, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Gmail and start a new message or open a thread where you want to respond. Click Compose if you're writing a fresh email, or click Reply to respond within an existing conversation. This works the same way in both cases, so use whichever makes sense for what you're doing. Next, type the text you want to include in your email. You can write your whole message first and format afterward, or type a portion, format it, and continue. Either approach works. The key is that the text needs to be in the message body before you can apply strike-through. Now highlight the exact text you want to strike through. Click and drag your cursor across the word, sentence, or paragraph. You can apply strike-through to a single word, a phrase, or multiple lines. Whatever you select will be affected. With the text selected, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window and click the Formatting Options button. It looks like a capital A with an underline. If you don't see the toolbar, click that A to reveal it. On narrower screens, you may also need to expand any overflow options to view all formatting choices. In the Formatting panel, click the strike-through icon. It's the letter S with a line through it. As soon as you click it, the highlighted text will update to show a line running through the middle. That's it. The formatting is applied and your selection is now visually crossed out. If you change your mind, simply highlight the same text again and click the strike-through icon once more to toggle it off. You can also remove all formatting using the clear formatting option if you need a clean slate. A few quick tips before you send. Strike-through works best in Gmail's standard formatting mode. If you've switched to plain text, formatting won't be visible. This feature is most reliable on the desktop web version of Gmail, and availability may be limited in some mobile apps. Finally, use strike-through thoughtfully to keep your message clear, great for edits, updates, or indicating tasks you've completed. And that's how to use strike-through in Gmail quickly and confidently.